organizing your daily schedule. It's myOrganized.life live, January 14th, 2020, and we have a daily schedule.
Every day,
organized
right now,
every day, Monday through Friday, 2 o'clock, except for when either you're gone or I'm gone.
You're gone for a
we don't feel like doing
long
it.
stretch coming up.
Coming up, we are going to be dark for about 2 weeks.
Yeah, you're
And,
jetting off once again.
Jetting off, using like my entire year of vacation in one swoop.
Yeah.
And then I'll be suffering for the rest of the year.
Yes, exactly.
But we'll have some fun, so we'll see how it goes.
All right.
Welcome to myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and tell you how to organize your schedule.
Yeah.
Are we telling them that, or are we just giving them tips?
We're giving them tips, of course. We
Of
never
course.
come
We
out
never
and
tell
tell
you
people
what to
because
do.
we're not the experts.
We aren't.
We just give
What are we
thoughtful
anyway?
tips.
We're just talking heads. But we have fun talking, so
Yes,
that's
we do.
good. If you'd like to actually get some expert advice, you can head over to smead.com and pull up in the search bar 4 tips for organizing your daily schedule.
Yeah.
Actually, this is Ramona Creel, isn't it?
Yes, it
Wrote
is. A
this
professional
article.
organizer, Ramona Creel.
Awesome. So what does Ramona say about 4 tips?
4
What are
tips.
her
They're
4
very
tips?
simple. You just want me to go through all of them?
Simplicity
All right.
is best. Number 1.
Number 1, think before you act. So what does the start of your day look like? Do you come to the office, sit at your desk, and have no idea where to begin?
Yeah.
Or perhaps you grab the first thing on your to-do list. Maybe just investing in a couple minutes to take some priorities or what's most important.
You know,
Think before you act.
I remember one day, I don't think it was at this office. This is the office I used to work at. Because, you know, I love my coffee right in the morning. I bring it in.
Yes, it's right
And
there.
Yes, it's right there from this morning. It's
Still.
a little cool. But
Yep.
anyway, I would I always liked that first hour of day drinking my coffee while doing something. I remember coming in, setting my coffee on my desk, barely having my jacket off, and then someone say, "Oh, hey, I got a question for you about," which turned into like a 2-hour distraction.
Oh, ouch.
And like about 2 hours later, I came back in. It's like, oh, my coffee.
And
there
that's
it
before
is.
the invention of the Yeti.
That's right.
So your coffee was cold.
It was cold, yeah, and I wasn't really happy that day.
Right,
So
yeah.
But if I would have thought before I act, I would have put like a barricade.
Instead, just hold
Say,
that thought. Can
yes.
you come back
I
in
know.
a half an hour?
Interruptions, that's really
Right.
bad. Okay, what's
All
number
right,
2?
start with something big.
Ooh, I've heard
Many
that tip
people
before.
waste the first hour of their
Drinking
day.
coffee.
Yeah, and their busy work, checking
Yeah.
email, surfing the web,
Yeah.
opening up mail, instead of actually creating your schedule.
Plus you have your prime time there. You've got full energy.
Right.
You haven't been dragged down by office
Right.
politics or
Right.
somebody else's problems. You can just get in and do your work.
Yep.
So do that big thing first.
Right, because these little activities suck up your day.
That's right. Okay.
All right, break your day into
Number 3.
blocks.
Number 3.
Break your day into blocks.
Okay.
In today's fast and furious world of multitasking, multitasking has become the norm.
Yeah.
So people feel if they're not being productive unless they're doing a ton of tasks at once.
Yeah.
But break it down and then schedule your time into blocks.
I heard people like they do their email at 8 a.m., noon, and 4.
Right.
They don't do their email the rest of the day.
So
even
then
though
you're not ping-ponging email back and forth like.
I don't know if that's valid for every kind of position, but if you can do something like that,
Yeah, I don't know.
I mean, we always don't want to multitask, right?
Yep.
Okay.
And then the
Number
last
4.
one, which I need to work on, is quit before quitting time.
Oh, yeah.
When the whistle blows, it's natural for you to want to jump in your car like Fred Flintstone and tear off home.
Yabba-dabba-doo.
But taking just a few minutes to plan your schedule for the next day
Yes.
will
Yes.
make a big difference. And then take some time before you're done to tidy up your desk.
Yeah,
So you're not walking in the morning thinking, ugh, this
So that when
mess.
you walk in the morning, you can do number 2, which is work on your most important
Yeah,
thing.
exactly.
Right? Big
Yep.
blocks. Okay. Good tips. So you can
Right.
find this article over at smead.com. Just go up in the search bar, 4 tips for organizing your daily schedule. And there you go.
Right.
We didn't tell you what to do. We just gave you some great advice
Great
on how to do it.
advice.
And we should apply it to our own lives too,
Yes,
shouldn't we?
we should. Yep.
Okay. So tomorrow is podcast.
Big day. Who's
Yeah.
on the
Chris
podcast?
Scrott.
It's Chris Scott.
And you remember? Because you said
Yeah,
you remember the topic.
I never went back and checked, but I'm pretty sure it's why we're bad at managing our time.
There's something.
We're bad at something.
Why we're bad at something.
Yes.
So if you're bad at anything, come tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central because we're going to talk about how to not be bad
At
at something organizing related.
Right.
But no, it's a good podcast. I remember doing that one. We did that one before Christmas, so it's been
a while.
It's been a while, but it will be excellent because Chris Scott is always excellent.
She's so
She's
nice and
very good.
friendly and
So that's
full of
tomorrow
tips.
at 2 p.m. That's on our schedule for tomorrow at 2 p.m. Central,
Yep.
3 Eastern, noon Pacific. Then on Thursday, we might have a solution
I think so.
for a problem.
That is usually
for
on our
another thing that you're
schedule.
bad at.
Yep.
Yes,
Yep.
this
Yep.
show
Yep.
is all about helping you not be bad.
And then
but
Friday.
we do not tell you what to do.
Right.
And
Friday.
Your favorite show.
And yours.
Yes.
Blogger Roundup.
Yes, and then that's other people telling you how bad you are and what you need to do to fix it. Isn't that
Oh,
good?
we're just hilarious.
We are helping you not be so bad.
All right.
Now that we've alienated everybody,
Yes.
I think it's time to say, just come back
All right.
tomorrow. We've got all the answers for your life tomorrow in that podcast.
It's a bold statement.
That's a big claim. But anyway,
Wow.
it's 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, right here, myOrganized.life live. Get organized now at myOrganized.life. Need to turn those piles into files? We've got you covered. Hundreds of organizing products in a dazzling array of colors and sizes. There's an organizing solution for you. Shop online and they're delivered right to your office. Get organized now. Go to myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. Get organized now at myOrganized.life.